Good morning, evening, afternoon. This is Chad speaking. Um, I made a game engine out of Python and tried to build, or like my basic aim to build Pokemon Emerald on top of that. It honestly, this has been the most challenging sort of project I've ever done, but I'm really excited. As you guys can see here by my uncommitted module that I just finished the documentation. But see, we can This is future chat here. I realized that my mic was really soft during the recording, so this is just going to be a voiceover. With the collision detections, as you can see, I can't walk through the table. I think it's pretty cool, and there's no one home, so yeah. Also, the house isn't finished, so they're still busy building, and it's totally not because I didn't code the upstairs. Yeah. So let's go check if Professor Birch is at home. Professor Birch is also not at home. So the town is just kind of deserted. This is practically the commentary I was giving. Yeah. So we're sitting there working our job, enjoying life. So yeah, let's leave the lab. You can also enter the house on the. So yeah, this is my sort of makeover. I'm basically showing the collision grids. I'm explaining more in depth when we get to the trees. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we're in the trees. Okay, so practically what's happening is I'm using a JSON file to determine if there's a 0 or a 1, like the tile next to, or the tile that you want to go to. The character is detecting that if there's a 0 or a 1 there, this place isn't fully finished. So as you can see, I can go through the trees on the right hand side, but I kind of got through the trees on the left. Yeah, and that's purely because the characters, when you press, let's say right, the character is detecting, okay, can you go right, can you not? And that determines if the character can actually move there, or they will just animate on place. And now we're getting into a Pokemon battle. Yeah, and I was explaining basically here that I tweaked the stats kinda wrong. So Wurmple will always destroy your Pokemon, and you'll just be sad. So yeah. So you'll always just not win Wurmple. If you run into Wurmple, also the Pokemon is random by a random module, but I restricted to only 3 Pokemon because there's only 3 Pokemon on this route. And you automatically get Trico. I still want to build a lot on. Yeah, but this was Pokemon Emerald. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.